Welcome to the Black Wall Street Project. This is not just a podcast, folks. This is a movement, a mission to equip Black men with the tools to build wealth, break generational cycles, and live with purpose. Because we've seen too many kings trapped in cages of limitations, too many brothers grinding but never growing, too many dreams left buried beneath fear and forgotten hope, but not here. No, not here. Here we rise. We rise through financial literacy because we don't know because what we don't know has cost us too much. We rise through cash flow gain, learning to escape the rat race and move into overflow. We rise in our minds through books like the 10X Week, flipping pages and flipping paradigms. We rise at the table, breaking bread, building brotherhood, and breaking the chains that have held us back for generations. This is for the man who knows he was made for more, the man who is tired of running on empty, tired of small thinking, tired of waiting for permission. Brother, we're not waiting anymore. We're building legacy. We're building wealth. We're building futures that our ancestors only dreamed of. And we're doing it together. So lean in, so lock in. Bring your vision, bring your brother, and bring your whole self. Because here, through financial education, strategic conversation, hands-on learning, and kingdom connection, we learn, we grow, and we rise as one. This is the Black Wall Street Project. Come on, brothers, let's build.